Good morning students. Now I'll teach you how to make a pentagonal pencil model using chart paper or geometrical method. For this we require a chart paper, scale, pencil, sketch pen, compass, cutter and fevicol. See, I've taken a 3 centimeter side pentagon. So as it is 3 centimeter. See this one 3 centimeter. This one the paper cutting procedure for the pentagonal cylinder, and this one pentagonal pyramid is having 3 centimeter. So we will make here directly the pencil model, pentagonal pencil model. As the perimeter of the this cutout or this pentagon base is 15 centimeter, so we'll take base as 15 centimeter and height will take 12 centimeter. So 15 centimeter I am taking this one. So 15 centimeter taken. Now here 12 centimeter the height, length is 15 centimeter, as the perimeter of the base is 15 centimeter. Now here I take the dot here at 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, and here also 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So here is the A, B, C, D, E, A. I'll put the name A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, A dash, and this one the 15 centimeter, and this one 3 centimeter, this one 3, the 3, 3, 3, and this one I taken 12 centimeter. Now I'll keep the cutout here at CD, and I draw the outline. I'll join EE dash. Smaller scale is better for the drawing, so I am using small. Now here border. For the border, I'll join this one. Now this side border, I'll give the name. Now it is CBA. So CBA. Now DE. So DE is over. Now this side border, you can give any side, any one side. Now I'll draw the isosceles triangle taking 5 centimeter as side. So you see the 5 centimeter. So from A dash now I'll join the intersection point with A dash. So this is over. Now border, now this is the border. I join the sides, this one. So pasting it is very much important to keep the border. Now this one over. Now I'll remove the extra portions from the figure. I remove the extra portion. So remove this one. This is over. Now folding the side and border. Now borders upside and downside. Now this side, this one over. Now see, the pentagonal pencil will look like this. So the pentagonal base, then this one the pentagonal cylinder, and attached with the pentagonal pyramid. So this is the pentagonal pencil model. Thank you.